I will show you how to get the best financial success of your life. Good mental health is your hidden superpower. It's not just about feeling good, it's about boosting your productivity and performance. When your mind is clear, you can focus better, think creatively, and solve problems like a pro. And let's talk decision-making. A healthy mind helps you make rational choices, whether you're managing your budget, investing, or planning your career. Life's ups and downs? No problem. Good mental health builds resilience and helps you manage stress, so setbacks don't derail your progress. Plus, positive mental health fosters strong relationships and effective communication, essential for networking and career growth. Finally, maintaining a work-life balance prevents burnout, ensuring you stay on top of your game for the long haul. So, invest in your mental health through mindfulness, therapy, exercise, and a supportive social network. Your mind is your biggest asset for financial success.